What is a coordinate plane? Is it the coordinated effort of two planes not to hit each other mid-flight? Or is there a mathematical explanation? In this lesson, you will learn how to locate a point on a coordinate plane by plotting an ordered pair. First, let's review. Positive numbers are greater than 0. On a horizontal number line, this means all numbers to the right of 0. And on a vertical number line, this means all numbers above 0. Also, negative numbers are less than 0. So on a horizontal number line, that means all numbers to the left of 0, and on a vertical number line, all numbers below 0. A coordinate plane is a combination of two number lines that we also call axes. The horizontal axis is labeled X, and the vertical axis is labeled Y. To view the entire coordinate plane, extend the hash marks to form a grid, both vertically and horizontally. The start, or middle, of every coordinate plane is called the origin. We label it 0, 0 because we look at the middle of the x-axis and the middle of the y-axis. This combination of two values is called an ordered pair, and an ordered pair gives directions. For example, take the ordered pair positive 3 and positive 5. Notice the word order in the phrase above. This means there is an order to how we read the numbers. The positive 3 tells us how far to travel on the x-axis, while the positive 5 tells us how far to travel on the y-axis. Starting at the origin, which is the middle, we move to the right of 0 3 spaces because the 3 is positive. Then, we go above the 0 5 spaces because the 5 is positive. At the end, we place a point to represent the ordered pair. Take a different combination like -1 and positive 4. Again, begin at the origin, but this time move to the left 1 space, because the 1 is negative, then move above the x-axis 4 spaces since the 4 is positive, and then we place a point. Some ordered pairs have two negative numbers, such as -3 and -2. Beginning at the origin, move to the left 3 spaces, and then move below the x-axis 2 spaces, and place a point. One last example combines a positive and a negative. Begin at the origin and move to the right 4 spaces, and then go below another 4 spaces. A common misunderstanding often occurs when plotting an ordered pair. Let's look at the point we just plotted, positive 4 and -4. Some students will look at the first number and follow the y-axis first, and the x-axis second. Notice how this leads to a completely different location on the coordinate plane, which is actually incorrect. Make sure you always move on the x-axis first and the y-axis second. In this lesson, you have learned how to locate a point on a coordinate plane by plotting an ordered pair.